Subscribe! Like! Click!
Hello, friends! Today's crafting topic is Haribo jelly. Oh, just the name sounds delicious. Let's make it together. Pencil ready. Oh, I can't do a nice look pencil spin. Oops, I can't do that. Match the width to the opening size of the plastic bag. The plastic I prepared is 15 centimeters. The sketch should be just enough to get a rough idea of the size and shape. Sketch the 6 gummy bears. I'll draw Kuromi and her friends. What do you think? Do you think some cute characters will be born? Invite your friends to join us. Draw and color the Haribo letters. Draw a line to space out the text and fill in the color. If you think of Haribo, the colors red and yellow are the dominant colors. Fill in the yellow color densely. I'm going to draw a zigzag line and fill the top part with a red color. Use a black pen to draw the lines. You can also draw detailed lines at this time. Don't you just love a bunch of gummy bears? We'll draw a lovely Kuromi with a headdress on her head. I'll just erase it with an eraser. If you draw a line with a bright color, you may not be able to erase it later if the pencil line is darker. Now let's draw a Keropi. Let's create a shadow effect by drawing a line on only one side of the letter. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, color the cute Kuromi. I'll even color in my cute friend Cinnamon Roll and Kuropi. We'll use clear tape to keep it from getting wet. If you have a picture of a character that you want to put in the slime, tape both sides. Hurry up! Use scissors to cut out all of the pictures you have drawn. Focus and have fun cutting them out. Let's play with the slime farm for a while. Let's take a closer look at the color. It's a refreshing yellow color like lemon. When did that gummy bear get in there? Stretch it, squirm it, touch it. It's cold to the touch. It feels good. I like it. Oh, it stretches like cheese. I'll prepare a plastic bag and cut it to the length of your choice. Now that everything is ready, I'm going to put it all in a plastic bag. Catch the red bear and put him in the slime. I like it because it's fluffy, sparkly, small, and precious. What's your favorite thing about your friends? Let us know in the comments. You can put them all together, but they're tricky to place, so it's better to put them one by one. If you don't have enough slime, add more. If there are air bubbles in the envelope, press down with your finger to remove them. Make sure to keep an eye on the shape of the front and back. Fold the open vinyl end over twice and secure with tape. Now we're going to attach the name tag. We'll fold it in half and use double-sided tape to secure it. Wow! The Haribo jelly squishies are done! Little gummy bears, Kuromi, cinnamon rolls, and Kuromi fit in the palm of your hand. Squishy, squishy fun! Friends, how did you like making these Haribo jelly squishies? If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned to see what we make next.